Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine. Please excuse the talking because I've just had braces put on. But today we're going to talk about a very interesting feature that Gmail has that I've recently found out about. Now, I've been meaning to make a video about this for some time now, but here it is. Now, you may have noticed on this page here, this is the website URL, and dots don't matter in Gmail addresses is what it says here. Now, this is quite an interesting thing, and you can use this to your advantage. When I first made my first email, or one of my first emails, I noticed that even if I didn't put it in exactly right when I was making an account, it would come to the same email. And I couldn't figure out why at first, but I thought, that's quite interesting. Then I found out, this was a long time ago, then I found out recently about this. And obviously, as you can see here, if your name is John Smith, you can type it in a few different ways. And regardless of how you type it in, as long as it's within certain parameters, it will still come to the same email. That allows you to do a very nice little trick when using certain websites. So here, for example, is Etsy. Let's say you wanted to make another account on Etsy. You've already had one account and for whatever reason you need another one. Now, you may make a new email address, a throwaway email address, or get one of those websites where they give you a temporary email address and all that stuff. There are good options as well. Now, another option, let's say your name is, another give the option of John Smith. Let's say your name is Smith John and your email was smithjohn@gmail.com. Now, you've already made an account with this. Now, on certain websites, you will not need to worry about this problem, because if you put a dot in, it doesn't work on every website, but if you put a dot in, for example, like it is showed here, on your side, it will still come to the same email address, but on Etsy's side, it's a new email address. Now, this doesn't work all the time. For example, you may get a little bit confused because you may have two accounts that Etsy think are two different emails, and you only have one email. So then when you get certain messages, you may be confused as to which one was for which, and whichever things like that, it can happen. But if you use this to your advantage and use it where you need it, if you need to make another account, for example, then you can. Now, I can't give you all the examples of when to use it, but I'm sure by now certain ideas are coming into your head. And this feature is a very great feature that allows you to take advantage of it. It means you don't have to make as many email addresses, if any, but like I said, it doesn't work on every website. So here is the website again, if you want to have a look at it, and if you need to make an account on another website without making a new email address, you now have a way.